we're gonna start it. Just make sure everything's good, everything's tight, and we're gonna see how it goes. Fucking excited. We got the boys over. Hey, Gio. Nigga Jose. Alejandro. Jose.
While you're chilling, you know, I just put in his headers.
Okay, back to the point. So yeah. So let me go start setting everything up and I'll show you guys. Alright, so we got set everything up.
To learn how to drive.
We got the desk key. We got the wire connected to the fucking Bluetooth dongle. You already know, IQ Tech for the win. I got my 85 sensor right there. The boys waiting. Fuck these niggas want.
They ain't excited.
They ain't excited as you do. We're gonna flash the
2 months in the works.
2 months in the works. What, bitch? Huh?
This nigga worried about his ratchet. His
Nigga, I told you already I'm gonna keep that shit.
Damn.
Hey, chill, you can't know what your passwords is.
All right, guys, I'm with Abe right here.
Yeah, we're
gonna tune his shit. See what the fuck is up.
Yeah.
See if this wants to work right here. Oh, you guys can't see the password.
Whoa, they're acting like they're gonna get your laptop. There you go.
What
All
the?
right. Pretty please come on me. What the fuck? What is this nigga watching?
Oh shit, you guys can't see that
I'm
shit, but that's
telling
porn, bro.
I'm telling you, when you get stressed out when you work on cars, you just gotta let some stress out. That's crazy.
Rarely turn 18 too.
Alright. Final step. It's alive. Well, it's on pretty much.
Bro, just turn it on. Leave it on Jackson.
Oh, wait, no, hold up.
I got you, Bob.
I gotta put it on, I gotta drop it down first. I'm gonna drop it down.
No, just turn it on like that, because you don't want to drop it down and something's fucking up.
Nah, if something's fucking up, I'm gonna leave it for today.
Just turn it on.
That's right, bro. I'm gonna put it on Jackson's first. Because then when it says on, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna have to turn it off. And I'm not gonna be able to turn it off.
Bro, just turn it
No! Chill out, bitch. So I got everything connected now. Car has power. Now I'm gonna just register the key on. Download.
Are you vlogging over here?
Yeah, bitch.
They always be asking me when I got home. I'm gonna take a seat with you.
Don't close the door.
Ow, fuck. I just hit my head.
Let's see.
I got a full setup in here.
Hell yeah.
He's like, why is everyone staring?
Damn, this shit doesn't take long. Damn, niggas never seen a tune before or what? Oh, damn.
Let me check my olive, bros. I'm not on
Chill,
camera,
bro. I got kids watching this. I got. Damn, who listens to NBA Youngboy? Who listens to him? Is it 1, Abe, 2, Gio, or 3, Jose?
Oh, fuck, bro. This shit got
You got it right. It's 8.
Bro, this shit got stuck.
Yeah, nigga, it's like zip ties. Alright, shut up, guys. I'm uploading the base soon.
You want me to wrap your car or what? New wrap coming soon. 2020, show the camera.
Damn,
Yeah,
nigga, got
got
rap
you.
coming in. Okay, ensure that. Oh, shit. What the fuck did I do?
I always be seeing Lambos this color. I always wonder how they did it.
This is
Now
an
I know.
Infinity?
Stop, I'm trying to fucking learn. Oh damn, Joshua's gonna have all your
Oh, me,
information.
nigga? You hear the fans turn on like everybody else on fucking YouTube if you watch these videos.
How much of these videos have you watched, nigga? You probably know exactly what happens. I know you know exactly what
It's
happens.
like, fuck!
You're like,
You're
My left tire is turning on.
You're gonna freak out when something doesn't go to plan.
Obviously, but it's just, hopefully, like, I don't plan on nothing fucking up right now. But shit could happen.
How much
Yeah.
does this kit cost?
That's alright.
Damn, I think I'm ready, boys.
Not even.
Yeah, for the bass soon. Damn, turn it on.
Oh, wait, you ain't gonna turn it on. Hold up.
I got you. I'll record it for you. Hold up.
Use your phone. Show your rap, nigga.
I'm gonna show it right now. Alright, before I turn on the car, niggas wanna show me the new rap they gave me. Sheesh. You guys fuck with it? Hit up Jose. There's custom raps.
There's no way.
Alright.
This is for the official.
First start ever in 2 months. That shit is loud. Nigga, it's the everything's new on the exhaust. It's gonna smoke.
The gaskets are just.
True. Mine do the same shit too.
Nigga,
When I drove it around, it was smoking through the tailpipe.
nigga, it's supposed to smoke. And
It's fitting.
smell it? It smells like the fucking
Yeah,
rat.
it didn't smell like oil or anything like that bad.
So everything seems to be good. I'm start data logging. I'm gonna data log first. He told me, my tuner Sebastian told me to fucking data log, just idle for about 2-3 minutes. So I'm about to start data logging and I'll show you guys how it looks and everything. And ain't a Navarro project if something doesn't go wrong. So I didn't collect the coolant line on the manifold.
That's why it ain't perfect.
My dumbass,
For my first
as you
time
can tell.
doing it, I'm happy with it.
Okay. I think it's safe to run like that. I mean, I already turned off.
You can tell all the coolant. Might still have some coolant, so that should be good.
That shit looks pretty crooked. Fuck up.
But I'm gonna connect that shit and damn, as you guys can see by the previous clips, that's just fucking loud.
You can't tell unless you actually
Motherfucker screaming. Then I put on that corn.
When it starts up, sounds like a V8 on me. Like honestly, any V8 in 702 that wants to smoke.
No,
No, I'm talking about the TC, the twin turbo TC. Y'all know where to go.
drive your shit already. He's trying to leave, bro.
Damn, but chill.
He needs cooling.
Damn, chill.
Tell him to just the fuck up.
You didn't get pizza?
It's alright, Juan.
Alright, oh, he's gonna bring pizza? What?
I hope so.
This nigga, bro, you got the money.
No, like, yeah, bring pizza.
Why not?
What happened, nigga?
Like I said, it's not an adventure without something wrong happening. So this coolant spilled, as you guys can see, but now I'm running hella hot.
Where is this shit?
So I'm like at 240, so that's pretty much lit mode, as you guys can know. Z owners know pretty much. So I'm not too far from my house. Shut up, back.
Thank God.
Not too far from my house, so I'm gonna just try to drive back home as much as I can.
Map, start it?
Yeah, I just started the fucking.
Wait, map access, right?
Yeah, map access.
And then lock the file.
Damn, this shit was running hot as fuck, as you guys can tell. But I'm just sending him the logs right now so you can see what's up. We got some pizza, fuck it. The boys. Hopefully he fixes the problem. It didn't let me go wide open throttle. It let me sometimes, but it was acting up really hard. It might just be because I'm really low on coolant. It was splashing coolant hella bad, and I forgot to plug the coolant hose. But it is what it is. It's a learning process, to be honest. I'll let you guys know what he tells me. And then car broke down type shit. Fat ass niggas. God damn. So yeah, as you guys can see, the car was overheating way too much. I had to cool it down. I'm running a little bit low on coolant, so I'm gonna get coolant. Then I'm gonna go charge the computers. But I might cut it off right now just to, you know, quit this video. Just because I'm gonna just wait until you reply, Sebastian. I sent the log I already took. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Low coolant. It's pretty much where we left off at. And catch you guys in the next one. Peace.